Today we are focusing on turns and steps to improve your quickness, control, and edge quality. We'll work through key elements including 3 turns, brackets, rockers, counters, and Choctaws. Essential skills for building stronger edges, better flow, and more precise movement across the ice. We will start with multiple 3 turns and bracket turns on half circles, alternating feet. Begin on the left foot with a left forward outside 3 turn, then continue into a left backward inside bracket. Repeat these 2 turns one more time on the same half circle, then return to the axis. From there, switch to the right foot. Start with the right forward outside 3 turn, then a right backward inside bracket, and repeat again before returning to the axis. Make sure to use your knees and ankles. Keep your free leg close to the skating leg and keep your arms organized and stretched along the circle with minimal movement. Always look in the direction of travel and keep your hips underneath you. Remember to rock from the heel to the front of the blade on forward turns and from the front to the back part of the blade on backward turns. Holding your arms still and keeping your free leg close to the skating leg is very important during these turns. If your arms and free leg are flying around and not under control, it will affect your balance like you see in this example. Your body alignment will change when your free leg goes too far back instead of staying close to the skating leg during the turns, which can eventually cause you to lose control, trip, and fall. Next, we are going to move to forward inside 3 turns and backward outside brackets, alternating feet, similar to the previous exercise. In this combination, it's very important to check your free leg behind after the forward inside 3 turn and stay over your skating leg on the outside edge to properly prepare for the bracket. Make sure you don't over-rotate the 3 turn and that you exit on a clean backward outside edge after the 3 turn. If you turn your foot too much or let your free leg drift to the side, you will change edges to an inside edge and end up doing a rocker instead of a bracket, as you can see in this example. Our next exercise will be a backward outside 3 turn with an inside bracket, alternating feet on half circles. Start with the backward outside 3 turn, keeping your free leg behind you on the entrance. Immediately bring your free leg forward after the turn, turned out and pointed to prepare for the bracket. Then bring your free leg back again, staying close to the skating leg as you execute the inside bracket. Continue this exercise around half circles, alternating feet. Pay close attention to the exit of the 3 turn, keep your shoulders turned to the outside of the circle and make sure you stay on a clean inside edge before going into the bracket. Now we are doing backward inside 3 turns with forward outside brackets in sequence. In this exercise, try to keep your free leg behind you and close to the skating leg the entire time. Focus on controlling the exit from the backward inside 3 turn, gliding on a clean forward outside edge to prepare for the bracket. You will notice that some of the turns are cleaner than others. This depends on the direction of your exit from the 3 turn. Make sure you don't over-rotate the turn so you can maintain a proper outside edge for the bracket. If you are a beginner skater who has just started on the ice and want to learn proper skating technique while avoiding common mistakes, check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. You will get access to 100 step-by-step videos covering technique, common mistakes, and exercises to fix them. The course will guide you from your very first steps on the ice, like marching and 2-foot glides, all the way to single jumps, basic spins, and more advanced skating skills, steps, and turns. Click the link above or check the description below to sign up today. Now we are moving on to counters and rockers, starting with a forward outside to backward outside rocker, then adding a power pull. After that, go into a forward inside to backward inside rocker, followed again by a power pull. Then switch your feet with a cross roll and repeat the full combination on the opposite foot. Pay close attention to your free leg position for the quick turns. Keep it in front for the forward outside rocker and then bring it behind and closer to the skating leg for the rest of the turns. Work with your knees and ankles and try to eliminate excessive arm movement. Check your turns using your hips and shoulders only to maintain control and alignment throughout the sequence. Now we are going to repeat the same exercise with counters, starting with a forward outside counter, followed by a backward outside counter and a power pull. Then continue into a forward inside to backward inside counter with another power pull. Remember to time your counters correctly. As soon as you start to straighten your skating leg, it is the moment to turn. Avoid adding extra power pull and changing the edge before the counter, as that will turn it into a 3-turn instead. Work with your upper body, twisting in and out of the turns in a controlled way while keeping your alignment stable throughout the sequence. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Join my YouTube membership to get access to more detailed tutorials, customized videos, and to support my channel. Click on the link above or look in the description below and join today. Our next exercise will be a 3-step Mohawk sequence with quick rockers and Choctaws, alternating feet on a half circle across the ice. Start on the left side. Begin with a left forward outside Mohawk, crossing in front and gliding onto a left backward inside edge. From there, perform a rocker and then complete the sequence with a left forward inside into a right backward outside Choctaw. Cross in front and reset. Repeat the same sequence on the opposite foot. Start with a right forward outside Mohawk into a left backward outside edge, cross in front with the right backward inside edge, continue with a right backward inside rocker, followed by a right forward inside edge into a left backward outside Choctaw. Cross in front again and continue the pattern. Keep your arms controlled and always feel your free leg staying close to the skating leg throughout the turns. This exercise is excellent preparation for skating skill tests and helps develop quickness, edge control, and clean turn execution. Now we are going to do a more advanced exercise with rockers, counters, and Choctaws. We'll start with 3 Choctaws beginning on the right forward inside edge, then switch to the left backward outside, right forward inside, and left backward outside again. From there, perform 2 quick outside rockers, left backward outside and left forward outside. Next, continue with 3 more Choctaws, starting from left backward outside edge, finishing on a forward inside edge, followed by 2 inside rockers, right forward inside and right backward inside. After that, switch legs and repeat the same sequence on the opposite foot. Start with 3 Choctaws on the left forward inside edge, finishing on the right backward outside edge, then perform 2 outside rockers. Continue with 3 more Choctaws, finishing on the left inside edge, and finish with 2 inside rockers on the left foot. This is a challenging exercise that requires strong knee and ankle action, along with precise checking from your hips and shoulders. Make sure to keep your free leg under control and close to the skating leg throughout the entire sequence. Now we are going to do Choctaws with counters. Start on the right foot with a forward inside edge into 3 Choctaws. After that, execute a left backward outside counter, then perform a power pull from left forward outside to left forward inside edge. From there, begin the Choctaw sequence on the opposite foot. After completing 3 Choctaws, follow with a right backward outside counter, then power pull from right forward outside to right forward inside edge, and repeat the sequence. Focus on controlling the timing of your counters, engage your core muscles, and work through your ankles, especially during the power pulls, to help generate speed and maintain flow. Next, we are going to repeat the same exercise but starting backward. Begin with 3 Choctaws from the right backward outside edge, finishing with a glide on the left forward inside edge. From there, execute a counter. After the counter, perform a power pull from a left backward inside to a left backward outside edge. Then start 3 Choctaws on the opposite foot and again follow with a forward inside counter and a power pull. Focus on keeping the flow continuous, controlling your edges, and staying precise with your timing throughout the sequence. Today we worked through a series of turns and steps to improve your quickness, control, and edge quality, including 3 turns, brackets, rockers, counters, and Choctaws. Keep practicing these exercises, focusing on clean edges, strong body alignment, and controlled upper body movement. With consistency, you will see a big improvement in your overall skating skills. Thank you for watching me today, and I'll see you next time.